manufactured number because of the identity principle. If the identity principle was not involved, then they wouldn't have a problem with 1 times 1 equaling 2. Or
why are you offended by 1 times 1 equaling 1?
Just because action and reaction, the universe, it's the separation of math from science, when math was supposed to define physical things. So when they have things that doesn't align, we can't make sense. The rest of the audience don't understand. They're like, wait a minute, well.
Okay, objects in motion tend to remain in motion, right?
That was his first law.
But what do objects at rest do?
There's no object at rest.
So you have a problem with Mr. Newton.
There are no objects at rest because everything is sitting on something that's in motion. Everything is in motion within itself.
So this is like there's no straight lines in nature. So the idea is you're saying at some level that you don't believe. I mean,
that
like
anything's still.
At a subatomic level.
That nothing's still, because everything in the universe is connected. So if you have one still thing, then everything connected to it also
Terrence,
has to be still.
If I understand what you're doing, and I try to steelman it, you're trying to say, look, first of all, the vacuum isn't a vacuum. It's roiling with activity, right? The void isn't a void. Stuff is happening. Virtual particles are coming in and out of existence. There is no vacuum, right? You're very much in tune with modern physics on that. You really are. Okay. Then you have this idea of math is supposed to be about the physical world. It's not supposed to be unto itself. And if there is no vacuum, then there is nothing at rest, because the vacuum is going to be in constant quantum tumult. And then you get to the point which is something that is rest, therefore is unphysical, therefore it is unnatural. It took me a long time. What the hell?
No, I'm literally saying there is nothing in the universe that is at rest, because everything is moving and communicating through vibration, and vibration requires oscillation, and oscillation requires motion.
So what you're trying to say is that if the universe at its deepest level is a quantum mechanical system in which there is no ability to create vacuum, in a naive sense, that the vacuum that we talk about is not the vacuum that people naively think. Therefore, any mathematics that references anything that is zero or still or whatever is invalid.
Is it imaginary? It's talking about an imaginary space.
Okay. I don't know what to tell you about this, because if I say something about a sphere, you might say, hey, Eric, what is the thickness of your sphere? All the points unit distance away from the origin. And I'd say, it has no thickness.